Hi, let's get some beetroot growing now. These are a variety called sanguina. Beetroot is quite known to me. When I was a child, my parents used to grow a lot of beetroot, and I have a childhood memory of malt vinegar boiling in the kitchen and my mum peeling beetroot and ending up with red fingers. I can remember that as a child. So, but beetroot is such a versatile vegetable, salad, whatever you want to call it, really, because you can. The young leaves can be eaten in salads, edible leaves, and then once they're planted, if we plant them now, by about early June, they should be about the size of golf balls, which is a nice baby size, can be eaten just boiled, put in a salad, sliced in a salad, pickle them overnight in some balsamic vinegar and then a bit of honey, really nice. So we make the drill, we'll come back to it, it's about an inch deep, 2.5 centimetres. A nice rail across there, you see it's nice and moist as well. And then get the seeds in our hand. As you can see, slightly bigger seeds than sort of when we've done the lettuces and carrots and things like that. They are, and some can be even really big, a bit more, so I can actually see these. So then what we do again is, like with lots of things, you just spread them out as thinly as you can. You can always thin them out or pull them out when they get small. Take the small ones out first and then leave some to get a bit bigger, but I try to space them out quite sparingly so they don't compete with each other. But if you want to have them for salad leaves, then obviously you can plant them a bit closer. So just put the last few in there. Lovely. There's that. There we go. And we're in that. So now we've got the beetroots in, and I think I've lost my. Yeah. And then we just cover them over again with the soil, and then this is nice and moist. We can water them in just to firm the soil over, and then we'll get a label and say what variety they are.